currently with the current trends of the market, I think the lines between professional AV and IT, it's already blurring with corporate companies getting in place, and their demands for AV as well has also evolved. Thus, Generation AV been in the business. We have the products to complement those trends. So last year we had a booth up in Bangkok. That was our first official Gen AV booth. It was part of the show. We had a lot of products on display. For this year, we have a couple of new products coming up from LEA, adding on to the half racks. We have the new high-powered power amplifier, which would be on display as well. Then we have new products coming from Optimal Audio, which would be the new Talk 8, Zone Pad 8. And then for NST, we have the new DM88s. And then focusing on the immersive audio section of it, we have the new PanLab, which would be on the booth with live demos, the PanLab system. We're going to have quite a lot of hands-on sessions at the booth, particularly for the immersive audio section of it. This year, we're particularly focusing on people walking in, wanting to know more of the products, not just for the sales element of it, trying to do some form of education at the booth as well in terms of the products. So that gives a better outreach for the products as well.